Tell us the story behind this.
Oh, we finally got the ECU from HP Tuners. No fault of HP Tuners. UPS said it was on the truck yesterday. We talked to our UPS driver and he said he shows it's supposed to be on the truck, but it wasn't there. So here we are, finally got it today. So we just got the ECU back. It took a few extra days from UPS, but it's the new HP Tuners Unlocked ECU, so we sent it out for them. They did their unlock service and they sent it back. So now that we have this, we can get it back in the car, hook the battery up. We're gonna flash the first tune, the bass map from Brenton over at Forza, and then we're gonna fire it up for the first time, get to hear this thing finally roar, check for leaks, and then button up the under trays and do a couple drivability drives, and then we'll have it on the dyno making some power.
A few moments later.
It's everybody's favorite time of Speed Society. It's actually daylight for this one. Doesn't happen very often, but we're ready to finally fire this. We got the HP Tuners ECU installed. The new flash from Brenton already flashed in, reset all adaptives, cleared codes, so only thing left is to start it.
Let's do it.
Can we finally fire up? Yeah, no, it's time to fire it up.
This is it.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Think?
I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Like, just imagine pulling up next to an SUV with kids in the car. You hear this, like, what?
It's like hard for the brain to comprehend this is a Jeep.
All-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
I can't wait to feel the launch control in this thing.
Early estimate, now that we've modified the car, what do you think?
First 0 to 60?
3.2 seconds.
3.2.
I'll say 2.9.
2.9?
I mean, my concern would be the tires at this point not being any different. Maybe if we aired them down just a little bit and or heated them up a little bit, maybe a 3.0. 2.9s, that's hefty. That's fast.
That's like hypercar level.
Yeah.
Sub 3 is pretty fast.
Yeah, 3.2 alone is insane.
Yeah. I like. Proper.
Is that 10th yet?
Proper.
Sensational.
That's how a Trackhawk should sound, my friend. That was half throttle on? No, I'm I was like, we're not going to be able to stop on the freeway again, so.
Shot my headphones all in the bag.
Shit feels pretty solid. It goes. Yeah, no, it feels good, sounds good. Didn't say check engine light. Nope, good to go. Let's try the paddles. Manual mode engaged. Yeah, that one's crisp. I'll tell you what, anybody rolls up on this thing, they're gonna get a rude awakening. Yeah. It's a hell of a daily. Oh, this thing probably sounds so mean outside. Like, it has so much sound ending in this. Yeah, I haven't heard it. Yeah. Matt and Morgo in the car. Trackhawk, take 1, tune revision 2. Bye! Can we do a launch or no? Hey, yeah.
Wait, that was
I mean, originally you said you could launch it, so I mean, I would imagine by revision 3 we should be launchable.
Stingray Forza Stage 3 Trackhawk 2021. Got it with 16 miles. Baseline numbers, it's all right with the 25% loss, but now, what's it gonna make, Mr. Wrench?
I'm gonna go 775. Might be a little on the optimistic side, but hey, you gotta shoot for your goals, right?
All right.
Okay, there you guys have it. 848 horsepower to the wheels, along with 805 foot-pounds of torque, and that's pretty much exactly where our goal was. Brent knocked it out of the park with the tuning as always. Big shout out to him and Forza out there in Florida. Couldn't have done this build without him, but that's pretty much a wrap for this season of Beyond the Build and the Trackhawk.